You've heard from Sam Pitroda to Kanhaiya Kumar, Congress has come a long way. At least they're consistent on absurdity. वो बोलते हैं हुआ तो हुआ, ये बोल रहे हैं making roads is looting water by the corporates. Rahul Gandhi says merit is unfair. What is the Congress party trying to do? Try and answer this question because I don't know.
Whatever he says, he explains it. That merit is being killed. That's why there is no use.
अच्छा सर, दूसरा explanation भी दे दीजिए. Merit is being killed. How is water being looted when roads are made?
How many anchors from the backward caste and the OBC and SC/ST are there? Tell me.
Sir, you should have.
OBC.
Why? Show me.
सर वो बोल तो रहे, जवाब दे रहे वो.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर ओबीसी कम्युनिटी से आप रोज भर भर के गालियां उनके समाज को देते हैं.
बट ही इज नॉट अ रियल ओबीसी. वो बोलेंगे रियल ओबीसी नहीं है. सर बाय द वे रवि श्रीवास्तव, यू हैड अ चांस, एलओपी बना देते किसी दलित को. सर नहीं बनाया आपने.
कांग्रेस का गिबली वर्जन बन चुका है.
Bureaucracy has got in UP, you go and see 95% are the upper caste only. Why?
Sir, let's not go there, sir. It'll be a long debate. You'll be embarrassed. Ravi Srivastava, answer this. Kanhaiya Kumar, when he says, when roads are made, corporates loot water. Sir, इसका क्या context है, reference है, क्या है, बता दीजिए.
See, what Kanhaiya Kumar has said, he must have said in some context which I forgot. You find out that, but he said it.
Kamruzaman Chaudhary, वो बताएंगे, वो बोलेंगे, the basic point out here, Pranesh, is this. बताइए, कमरुज़मान जी बोलिए सर. How is water looted when roads are made?
Pranesh, the most important elixir of life is the water. And what are the corporates doing? Following Modi ji's jet, going to Sri Lanka, obtaining the lucrative port business from there. Only Adani has got the exclusive rights. In Bihar, you come on the piggy banking of the BJP.
Mr. Revant Reddy, not to invite Mr. Adani and not to pose in photographs with him, sir. इतना तो बोल दीजिए. I mean, you have say. Only two people who have say in Congress party appear on TV debates. One is Tehseen Poonawala, the other is Kamruzaman Chaudhary. Please, sir, please guide the senior leaders of the party to as to what they should be doing.